Setting up the shot for Steven. It's a classic. Everclear.
We're almost out.
Everclear.
That sucks. Bro.
There's not very much left, but let's see.
I feel like
go with.
I say.
Let's go all the way.
Oh yeah, just do that.
That's gonna hurt so good.
There you go.
Just like last time at home.
Just like last time at home. Cheers.
Here we go.
If it turns out bad, or even better video.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
It hurts so good.
Don't puke. Go around. Go around. Don't puke. It's coming. Drink some water. Drink some water.
Good.
Good to go. He's good to go.
Oh, it burns.
But it burns so good.
Oh.
That was classic. Oh yeah.
You love me.
You next, Brandon.